Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I post amazing videos like this. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this amazing pin cushion. It was really easy to make and it's not going to really take so much time. So when I posted my dress form unboxing video, I showed you guys the pin cushion that they gave me. It was really cute. And I decided to make my own because I've been planning on making my own for a long time. So I decided to make my own finally, and this is what it looks like. Let's get into this sewing tutorial. So guys, for this you're going to be needing a fabric that is 3.5 by 3.5 inches. So two pieces, 3.5 by 3.5 inches. Then you're going to need a cardboard piece that is 3 inches by 3 inches, just one piece. And then you're going to need another piece of fabric that is 7.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So one piece as well. Now guys, what you're going to do is you're going to fold this long piece into two, right sides facing each other. So along the shorter edge, you're going to fold it right sides facing. And then you're going to sew it along the short edge and long edge. So on one short edge you're going to sew it, and on the long edge you're going to sew it, so just like this. And then once you're done, turn it inside out and sew it all around the edges so that it hides the raw edge that was remaining to sew basically. Now guys, we're going to take a velcro piece that is 3.5 inches long. So this velcro piece right here, I'm going to take it and then I'm going to open it up and take the one with the softer side and then place it on one of the edges of this handle. Basically this is going to be the wrist of the pincushion, so that's what you're going to do. So just place it right there and sew it down along that rectangle. Now on the opposite side, now can you guys see on the opposite side where you don't have anything, you're going to cut out 1 inch of this hard side, just 1 inch, that's what you need, and you're going to place it right there and sew it along that square, so that once you're done you can easily close it and it would close basically once you wear it on your wrist. Now guys, you're going to look for the center of this piece right here. So this long piece, look for the center, and then on the parts where you have the soft side of the velcro piece, the 3.5 inches side, you're going to place your fabric right sides facing that wrist cuff. Basically I'm going to call it wrist cuff for now. So place it right there and then sew it along that center, so just like a small square. So you are going to sew it just like that. So pin it the way I'm pinning it and then sew it along that square, so just like a rectangle with probably an X in the middle, so you know how to make it more sturdy. So that's what you're going to do, just sew it along that part. And once it's sewn, this is what it's going to look like. Can you guys see? This is what it looks like. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it to the sides just like this. So guys, follow what I'm doing. So just place it to the side and then place the second piece right sides facing the other piece. So right sides are facing each other basically, and then pin it along all the corners right there and then sew it all around just like that, except the part where we have the wrist cuff hanging out.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Now guys, once you're done, this is what it's going to look like. You're just going to use that excess piece to turn it inside out. So can you guys see what I'm doing? So just turn it inside out and then place your cardboard piece inside. So if you need to trim it off before putting it inside and then put it in just like this. Now fill it with your scrap pieces, foam, wadding, anything, just fill it in and then sew this opening just like that. So just sew it with your hand stitch because you can't really sew it with your machine because it's bulky. So make sure you fill your pin cushion really well, then sew it at that open edge. Now guys, I have gone ahead to sew it and this is what it looks like. It's turned out really amazing. So this is what it looks like. This is how you just wear it, and guys, look at it. It looks beautiful. It looks really beautiful. I love it. It looks really nice, and this is it with pins on it. Oh, fabulous. If you guys love this tutorial, please like this video, comment in the comment section. If you try it out as well, tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'm always ready to showcase your work to my growing followers. Also, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.